Thanks for joining us as we discover mammal characteristics.
Let's explore the unique qualities that separate mammals from other members of the animal kingdom. Mammals are warm-blooded, a trait that allows them to maintain a constant internal body temperature regardless of the environment. This means they can thrive in a variety of climates, from the scorching deserts to the icy tundra, and everything in between. It's a trait that has enabled mammals to conquer every corner of the globe. But being warm-blooded is just the tip of the iceberg. Most mammals have fur or hair, whether it's your household cat or a wild grizzly bear. There are a few exceptions. See if you can name a few. Share in the comments below. This natural coat serves multiple purposes, from insulation against harsh weather conditions to providing camouflage for survival in the wild. Another defining trait of mammals is their method of reproduction. Mammals give birth to babies, while other animals lay eggs. This trait is a fascinating aspect of mammalian life, as it allows for a deeper bond between the parent and offspring, facilitating better care and survival chances for the young ones. And speaking of care, let's not forget the production of milk. Mammals are the only creatures that produce this nutrient-rich food to nourish their offspring, providing them with essential nutrients to grow and thrive. The world of mammals isn't just diverse in terms of traits, but also in size. From the tiny bumblebee bat, which is smaller than a human thumb, to the massive blue whale, the largest creature to have ever lived on Earth, the size range of mammals is truly staggering. And it's not just about size. Mammals inhabit a myriad of habitats, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, showing an incredible adaptability to different environments. Let's dive into what it means to be warm-blooded. Warm-blooded describes animals that maintain a steady internal body temperature regardless of the environment. This characteristic is one of the defining traits of mammals, setting them apart from cold-blooded animals like reptiles and amphibians. Now, why is being warm-blooded so special? Well, it comes with a host of advantages. One of the primary benefits is the ability to stay active in various climates. Whether it's the frigid temperatures of the Arctic or the scorching heat of the desert, mammals can thrive and survive. This adaptability is due to their internal temperature regulation, allowing them to be more resilient and versatile. Consider the Arctic fox, for example. Despite the harsh freezing conditions of its habitat, it manages to maintain a steady body temperature. This is thanks to its dense fur and a unique metabolic adaptation that generates heat. On the flip side, the fennec fox, living in the sweltering Sahara Desert, has large ears to dissipate heat and maintain a cool internal temperature. But there's a catch. Maintaining a constant body temperature requires energy, lots of it. This is why mammals need to consume more food compared to their cold-blooded peers. The food acts as fuel, aiding in heat production and maintaining the body's energy levels. Being warm-blooded also influences mammals' behavior. For instance, the need to find food can drive migration patterns, social behaviors, and even the development of complex brain functions. It's fascinating how one characteristic can ripple out and shape so many aspects of an animal's life. Fur and hair play a crucial role in the lives of mammals, providing not just a stylish coat, but also a range of functional benefits. The primary function of fur and hair in mammals is temperature regulation. Just as we humans wear a coat in the winter, the fur of mammals acts as a natural insulator. It traps a layer of air close to the body, keeping mammals warm during colder months. In contrast, during the summer, the fur helps to protect the skin from the sun's harmful rays and aids in the evaporation of sweat, thereby cooling the body. But maintaining an optimal body temperature isn't the only reason mammals sport fur or hair. Another key function is protection. For instance, a porcupine's spiky quills, which are modified hairs, serve as an effective deterrent against predators. Similarly, the thick fur of a polar bear not only keeps it warm in the icy Arctic, but also protects its skin from the freezing cold water. Fur and hair also serve a sensory purpose for many mammals. Cats, for instance, use their whiskers to detect changes in their surroundings. These specialized hairs are highly sensitive and help cats navigate in the dark, detect prey, and even sense the mood of other cats. Some mammals also use their fur for communication. When dogs feel scared or angry, their fur stands on end to communicate their feelings to others. So fur and hair in mammals are not just about aesthetics. They are integral to their survival, providing warmth, protection, sensory information, and even a means of communication. Unlike many other creatures on this planet, mammals give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. By carrying the young inside their bodies, mothers ensure a more stable and controlled environment for their offspring's development. This protects the young ones from external threats, such as predators or harsh weather conditions. Moreover, live birth allows for a longer gestation period, meaning the young have more time to develop before entering the world. This results in offspring that are more advanced and better equipped to survive from the moment they are born. For instance, a newborn deer can walk within hours of birth, a feat that's facilitated by the development it undergoes within the mother's womb. Live birth also presents challenges. It requires a significant investment of resources and energy from the mother. A significant characteristic of mammals is they make milk for their babies. Milk is the perfect first food for mammal babies. It's like a superfood packed with all the essential nutrients a newborn needs to grow and thrive. And each species of mammal has its own unique milk recipe, perfectly tailored to its young's specific needs. For example, the milk of a harbor seal, which needs to build up blubber quickly for insulation in cold water, is incredibly rich in fat. On the other hand, the milk of a black rhinoceros, which grows slowly and has a low metabolic rate, is relatively low in fat but high in protein. What's more, a mother's milk can change over time to meet her offspring's changing needs. As the young grow and develop, the composition of the milk adjusts, providing the right balance of nutrients at each stage of development. Milk truly is nature's perfect food for young mammals. Size in mammals varies tremendously. Imagine a spectrum of sizes with the bumblebee bat, the world's smallest mammal, on one end. Weighing less than a penny, this tiny creature uses its minuscule size to navigate the night skies, darting and weaving through the air with unparalleled agility. Its small stature allows it to inhabit nooks and crannies that larger predators cannot reach, making it a master of evasion. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, we have the colossal blue whale, the largest mammal, and indeed the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth. This marine behemoth can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons. That is about the same weight as a train engine. Its massive size is a testament to the abundance of its marine habitat. The blue whale's enormous bulk allows it to journey across vast oceanic distances and dive to incredible depths in search of food, demonstrating that size can indeed be an advantage in the animal kingdom. In between these two extremes exists a myriad of sizes, each with its own benefits. The nimble squirrel, the bounding kangaroo, the towering giraffe, the stout armadillo. Every mammal's size is a testament to its unique way of life, its diet, its habitat, and its unique adaptations. Mammals inhabit virtually every corner of the globe, but how do they adapt? This question takes us on a journey across the world, witnessing the incredible resilience of these warm-blooded wonders. Let's start with the deserts, which are some of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Here, mammals like the fennec fox and kangaroo rat thrive. The fennec fox, with its oversized ears, disperses heat and keeps cool, while the kangaroo rat survives without ever drinking water, getting all the moisture it needs from the seeds it eats. From the arid deserts, we journey to the dense jungles where mammals like the jaguar and orangutan reside. These creatures are champions of adaptation. Jaguars, with their powerful bodies and keen eyesight, are excellent hunters in the dense foliage. Orangutans, on the other hand, spend most of their lives in trees, their long arms and hook-like hands perfect for a life in the canopy. Now let's travel to the other extreme, the freezing Arctic. Here, mammals like the polar bear and Arctic fox have adapted to life in the cold. Polar bears have a layer of blubber that insulates them from the icy waters, and the Arctic fox has a thick white coat that not only keeps it warm but also camouflages it in the snow. Even in the depths of the ocean, mammals have found a way to survive. Dolphins and whales live their entire lives in the water, their bodies streamlined for swimming and their lungs adapted for holding their breath for extended periods. From the scorching deserts, through the dense jungles, to the freezing Arctic, and even under the sea, mammals have found ways to adapt and survive. Each habitat presents a unique set of challenges, but mammals have evolved to overcome them, demonstrating a level of resilience that is nothing short of remarkable. Now that we've journeyed through the fascinating world of mammals, what's the takeaway? Mammals are incredible creatures that captivate us with their warm-blooded wonders, their natural coats of fur or hair, and the miracle of giving birth to live young. Their ability to produce milk to nourish their offspring is another testament to the intricate design of nature. We've marveled at the vast range in size, The diversity of mammals is staggering, with them inhabiting every corner of the globe, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountain peaks. This exploration into their world has allowed us to appreciate their unique qualities and the diversity that exists within this group of creatures. In closing, remember, every mammal has a story to tell, a role to play in our ecosystem. Let's appreciate these incredible creatures and their contributions to our planet.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube video. We really appreciate your support and hope you found it super informative and fun. If you could do us a solid and hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends, it would mean the world to us.